Hello, and welcome to the Holistic RI podcast. We believe when you are leading your own healing process, you are empowered to make lasting changes in your journey towards consciousness and health. Our mission statement is to improve the health of our community and our environment. We believe they are one and the same. Welcome to Holistic RI podcast, a mind, body, spirit revolution.
Hi, my name is Susan Musso. I am a registered nurse and I am a functional medicine health coach. I have been a nurse for many years, and I see the benefit and have seen the benefit of conventional medicine throughout my years. They do amazing work. About 10 years ago, I had a health scare, and it was a really big one, and conventional medicine totally saved me. Through this process, I decided that I wanted to make some changes in my life, mostly starting with diet. I began learning about the benefits of eating a nutrient-dense diet and minimizing processed foods. This served me greatly. During this time, I also stumbled upon functional medicine. I didn't know really what it was about, and I did a lot of learning there and saw that this approach really was aligned with how I think. Knowing that so much of our chronic illness and issues are related to our behaviors, our lifestyle, our diet, I really dug into learning more here and decided to make changes. So I started shifting some of my behaviors. Like I said, I started learning more about foods that serve me, foods to avoid. I started feeling better, and I noticed the benefits were huge. And I just love the perspective of I can influence my health in ways that serve me. So I just kept diving into more and more learning. And around this time too, I started making these changes. I was seeing a health coach and had tremendous progress learning about myself, so much so that it made me want to become a health coach. So I got certified in coaching and now see clients with coaching and helping them work on issues that they want to work on. Mostly health coaching, a lot of it is about learning about yourself, so lots of self-learning so that people can see kind of areas where they're stuck, where they need to they want maybe some growth, they want to, have some goals that they want to reach, but they're a little stuck, what's tricky for them. So it's really about uncovering and seeing what's going on with them that can help them bring them closer to the goals they want and live a life full of good health and good living, special memories, just the life they want.